Is there a sound thing up in that? Up.
I hear it.
Okay, guys, everybody bark now.
Nothing quite there.
Come on, guys, bark. Ruff. Ruff, ruff. Can you hear it? You listen over there. Oh, come on, guys. Riot. Stop it. Are you hearing anything? You hear anything? Oh, good. Okay. I guess it's working then. Well, that'd be fun. Well, why don't we turn the camera then? We had such a good racket going here a few minutes ago.
Starting to get going over here.
What?
It's starting to get going over here.
Oh, well, yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, there's no mail. No mail. Oh, dear. Where's the telephone? Telephone project? Oh, beautiful. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Okay. Great. We're experimenting, so we get on with it. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, we'll do it. She says it's working fine. And now we're gonna have to send Bailey to the basket with me. I don't have a spoon. I don't have a spoon. I don't have a spoon. Spoon. We gotta get a spoon, Bailey. Bailey, did you want to say something? Yeah, ruff, ruff. Can you say something? You don't talk. You don't talk. Would you talk? It's got to be, yeah, a metal spoon. Yep. Is that maybe the sound is on now?
I don't hear anything over here.
Well, it takes a few minutes, remember? Huh. Well, this isn't even service dog stuff. This is well, now we have a green light. Maybe I'm supposed to hold it up straight in the air.
Maybe.
Maybe it doesn't like to be laid down.
Want me to hold it?
Let you hold it. Watch out for my knife. There you go. When you get your nose out of here, you're going to get in trouble. You can't get it.
I hear it now.
And I get that, and I get that. And apparently now it works. I don't know how we can get them to tell us if it's working. Hey!
Keep
Wait a
going.
minute.
Keep barking.
What? We get the, and then the green light flashes. I don't know what it means.
I hear it now.
So it's working when the green light flashes. When we have a 1 and the green light flashes.
All right, we'll keep an eye on that. Oh, you got the barking. They finally heard some barking.
Oh, good. We have cookies, guys.
Cookies.
We have cookies. Bailey. And Boo. And Riot.
Can I have the box before they get it?
What?
Can I have the box?
The box.
Some stuff.
There's a lot of things going on here. I don't know whether this one works.
There's a lot of barking.
Let me have that thing. Oh, you do that. Now I have a green flashing light, but I don't have a 1.
No, but I still hear sounds.
You do hear sound. Well, isn't that wonderful?
Progress.
Maybe I don't want the blue 1. We got Bob.
Well, we had sound when the blue one was on. Maybe the one is for volume.
Oh, volume? I don't know. Okay, we'll do that. I can do that. I can do that. What are they doing?
Was left Ryan's cookies.
Oh. Still got a green light. Oh, goody! Oh, boy! We got some gongs! I don't understand. The light keeps going out. But at any rate, we have cons. We have senior cons. Those will be very nice.
They heard you talking about the columns just for a cutout.
Okay, well, I think it's probably back on again because I have a 1 and a green. This gets very complicated. I wonder.
Can't handle it.
We really need a book of directions because it keeps going off. That other one has. What? You can hear it again? Did you want to say something, Bailey? I have the second one here. I don't know whether that one works. We can maybe get that one out of here. And now it's probably on again. And I can put this on my ear, maybe. Is that making noise? Oh, jeez.
I don't hear anything yet.
No, can't hear anything. Between the delay and two sort of ordinary mic, we're on again. Oop, no, don't put it to my ear.
You on?
I'm on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh. Well, we should maybe just kind of test this whole.
There's something.
Apparently, when I have this red green light, it's on. When it gets tired, it goes out. And that one's still on, but I don't know. Now it's blinking green. Now stop it, darn it. Go ahead, bark. Roof. There we go. Now we got good noise. Come on, bark, David.
Bark. Oh, I was yelling at you.
We're trying to figure out the cat with
I don't know.
Huh? We got that noise now? See, I have a green light and I have a 1. And sometimes all by itself they go out. And I just sit here and look at it. What I wanted to do was I wanted to call one of those people and put it on speakerphone, and then they could talk to everybody. Wouldn't that be fun?
That would be.
Like they make the microphone work well. And that one, I don't know whether that one's working at all.
Yeah.
That one's kind of sitting here.
How long?
Huh?
I can hear you now, but for how long?
Yeah, but which microphone did he? It went out.
Hi, Dave.
Bye, guys.
Are you like Dave?
See, now the green light is flashing. Don't flash green light. Now I got flashing green light.
I can hear you again.
I know, but you heard me from 5 minutes ago.
Yeah. Almost.
See, and now it's going to flash again. I think maybe we'd be better. Oh, for now, this one's going out. Okay, I now have new batteries. Now, if somebody's going to type something on there and tell me whether it's working. What do we got? What did I say?
Type battery about 20 times.
Oh, okay. We did that. Come on now, could somebody please be helpful with this project? I'm looking at the comments. Whoops, I got 8 new comments. Let me see what they...
Oh, I hear sound. I hear sound.
Sound, good. Oh. We're going to go through a lot of batteries, I guess. That's all right.
Yeah, everyone's saying it's working.
It's working. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Now, underneath that desk there are all those things from the retreat thing. Now, just dig deep down in there and get me one of them. Just one.
Pressure.
And I'll call them up on the phone and see if I can't put the phone on speakerphone. There we go. Mary. I need a phone. Okay. Let's try this now. 80637. I'm not going to put the phone... I'm not going to tell you what the whole number is, though, because that would be a bad thing. Oh, now how do I got to put speakerphone? Oh, wrong thing. I'm never going to get this straight.
I usually hang up when I try to pull the speaker.
Here we go. Are you sitting that down over there?
I hear you, but I don't hear the phone.
Hi, Mary.
Yes?
This is Carlene White, Service Dog Project.
Hello. I'm watching you on the camera right now.
Well, I've got you next to the microphone, so you may be talking to everybody. We don't know how this works yet.
Oh, okay. Hi, everybody.
Now, let's see. Can somebody make some comments on the thing, but whether it works?
Hear the dial.
How are you today, Mary?
I'm great. Thank you very much. Oh, and by the way, I won the chicken drawing the other day.
Did you? Oh, good for you. So you're a Shatapod person.
Yes, thank you very much. I sent you a card. I was hoping you'd get it today, but
I didn't have any mail today. I don't understand it at all. And 2 small advertisements.
is there a time delay on this?
Is who?
A time delay?
Oh, there is, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I just turned my sound off then.
That's very, very confusing.
Yes, I turned my volume down on my computer. But yes, thank you very much. I got your check Saturday, I think.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Anyway, but I sent you a thank you card anyway. You should be getting it pretty soon.
Oh, good. That'd be fun.
I never thought I'd win that either.
We just got your card here out of the very bottom of the pile. And that, oh Lord, I'm supposed to tell somebody who won. There was 1,097. And somebody had 1,098. Oh, and I forgot. I'll post that very shortly. Sheila told me who won. I think I only have the first name, but I'll post that. Why don't you say goodbye to everybody, and I'll see if I can't find out who won that thing. Anyway, it's nice talking to you.
Bye, everybody, if you can hear me.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for calling.
Over and out. Okay, so she's out. I turned her off.
Everybody on the chat is saying hi, Mary.
Are they all heard it?
Yeah, they say hi, it works. Hi, Mary.
Oh, that's fun. Well, that'd be fun. So that if people, when they write to me, if they put their phone number on their letters and stuff, then what I can do is pull one out of the pack a day and call people and let them talk to everybody.
Did you say 1,097?
Oh, yes, I think I did. Oh my! Don't quote me yet. Let me look it up.
It's coming through on the chat.
Okay, I shouldn't have said anything until I Checked it with Sheila. But I have it here someplace. I just have to find it. Sheila gave it to me earlier today. Oh, here we go. The winner is Sharon with a guess of 1099. The total number was 1097. Wow. I don't know who Sharon is, but that's all she gave me. I'm sure Sharon will come along.
1099, she guessed.
1099, she guessed. Yeah, 2 off. That was an incredible sort of thing. Oh yeah. Can we go home now?
I'll show this for people
Okay.
who can't hear. Of course, I can't see a camera. The sound is going good.
Okay, so if the sound is going good, then all I need is a steady green light. That's kind of logical anyway, I guess. Okay, so now shut it off, right? Goodbye, people.